Hello everyone, welcome back to Big Progress English, where learning English is easy and fun. My name is Hannah.
And I'm Lamb. Hi, Hannah. So nice to be here with you again. How are you today?
I'm great, thank you. I'm excited about today's lesson. How about you?
I'm feeling good too. The weather is nice, the sun is shining, and I'm ready to talk about something useful.
Yes. Today's topic is daily life. How to talk about your day in English.
Right. It's one of the first topics you use when talking to someone. People always ask, "How is your day? What do you do every day?"
Exactly. And it's a very easy way to practice English. Before we start, please like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Big Progress English. It really helps us. Okay, Lamb, let's start. What do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Then I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. How about you?
I wake up a little later, around 8. I always drink a glass of water first. After that, I make coffee.
Oh, yes. Coffee is very important. I make coffee too. Then I eat breakfast. I usually eat bread and butter. Very simple.
I like eggs for breakfast. Eggs and toast, it's a great breakfast. After that, I check my emails on my computer.
Same. I check my phone and my email. It's a daily habit. Then I start work. What time do you start work, Hannah?
I start work at 9. I work from home, so I just sit at my desk and begin. It's easy. Do you work from home too?
Sometimes. Today I'm working from home. I start at 9:30 and I have a meeting every day at 10.
A morning meeting is a good way to start the day.
Yes. I like my colleagues. They're friendly. We talk about our weekend or hobbies.
My team and I often talk about projects. We have many deadlines, so it's busy.
Same here. My day is busy. I write a to-do list every morning.
Oh, that's smart. I should start doing that. After work in the morning, what do you do?
I eat lunch. I eat at 12 o'clock. Something fast, usually a sandwich.
Lunch is a good break. I like salad for lunch. It's light and fresh.
After lunch, I work again until 5 o'clock.
I finish at 5:30, a bit longer than you.
After work, I go to the gym. I exercise for 1 hour. I always feel good after the gym.
That's great. I don't go to the gym. I take a walk in the park near my house. I walk for 30 minutes.
Walking is great exercise too. You can listen to music or a podcast.
Exactly. I listen to music while I walk. After that, I go home and cook dinner.
What do you cook for dinner?
Simple food, pasta with tomato sauce or chicken and vegetables. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I try something new every week. Yesterday I cooked fish. It was delicious.
Wow. I'm not a good cook, so I keep things simple. After dinner, I relax and watch a TV show.
Me too. I watch movies or comedy shows. They make me laugh.
After that, I read a book. It helps me sleep.
Nice. I go to bed at 10. I'm usually very tired.
Same. 10 o'clock is a perfect bedtime. Sleeping well is important. So that's my day, a typical day. It's simple, but it works.
Yes, and these are good sentences to talk about your routine.
Let's review some useful patterns. I wake up at, I eat breakfast at, I start work at, I finish work at, I go to the gym or I go for a walk, I cook dinner, I watch TV, I go to bed at. Let's have a short role play. I will ask you about your day. Ready?
Ready.
I will ask you about your day. Ready?
Ready.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 8.
What do you do after you wake up?
I drink water and make coffee.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast.
When do you start work?
I start work at 9:30.
And what do you do in the evening?
I cook dinner and watch a TV show.
Very good. Now, your turn. Ask me.
Okay. What time do you wake up, Hannah?
I wake up at 7.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and butter.
When do you finish work?
I finish at 5.
What do you do after work?
I walk in the park.
What do you do before bed?
I read a book. Daily life isn't just work. We also have chores.
Yes, chores are things we do at home. I do the dishes after dinner. It's a daily chore.
Me too. I also clean the kitchen. A clean kitchen makes me happy.
I take out the trash on Mondays and Thursdays.
I do laundry on weekends. It's a big job, not daily.
So the pattern is simple. I do the dishes, I clean the kitchen, I take out the trash, I do laundry.
What about hobbies? We can talk about hobbies we do every day or every week.
I play guitar 20 minutes every day.
Wow, nice. I like to draw. I draw in my sketchbook every evening.
You can also say, I listen to podcasts, I play video games, I read books.
And tell how often. I play video games every day. Or I listen to podcasts on the bus.
What about weekends? My weekend is very different.
Mine too. On Saturday, I wake up late, maybe 9 or 10.
No alarm, best feeling ever.
I make a special breakfast, pancakes.
Wow. I go to the market on Saturday to buy food.
I meet friends at a cafe. We talk and laugh.
I visit my family for lunch. Family time is important.
Sunday is for relaxing. I read, I watch movies.
Same. I clean a little and prepare food for the week.
So, same sentence structure, just different words.
Today we learned time words, morning, afternoon, evening, night. Action verbs like wake up, eat, work, walk, cook, read, sleep. Combine them. In the morning, I wake up. In the evening, I cook dinner.
And a great way to practice is writing your own day. Today, I woke up at. Today, I ate.
Yes, writing helps memory and speaking skills.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
We hope this lesson helps you talk about your daily life in English. Please like, share, and subscribe to Big Progress English. Leave a comment below. Tell us one thing you do every day.
Yes, tell us about your morning or your favorite hobby.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.